This is Blair with Coro Medical, home of AED.us, and today we're going to go over how to change the pads and battery in the Philips OnSite AED. To prepare for an emergency, you want to keep the electrodes connected to the unit at all times. The pads have a 2-year expiration date. The expiration date is located on the outside of the pads towards the bottom. You can see this through the clear cartridge window. You're going to change the pads at the time of expiration or if you use the AED. To install or replace the electrode pads, locate the tab on the top of the AED, slide the tab, and the cartridge will pop out. You take the new pads and pop them into the device until you hear it click. Be careful not to pull the lever that says pull. This will allow air to get in to the pads and you'll have to replace those. The battery has a 4-year expiration from the date of install. The install date that's located on the outside of the battery, that is not the expiration date. To install or replace the battery, if you have a case, take the AED out of the case. You may have to tug a little if you do, there's some Velcro. Turn the AED over, locate and remove the battery. You take the new battery and you're going to pop it in until you hear it click. Now just so you know, this is going to do a self-test, so just follow the instructions. It could take up to a minute. I'm going to skip that so you can hear me. But if you're changing it at home, make sure you do that part.
Self-test. In case of emergency.
Once you change the pads and battery, verify that the ready indicator is flashing green and the AED is ready for rescue. If you have any questions or need to talk about purchasing options, please feel free to give us a call at 800-695-1209 or go to www.aed.us. Thanks for watching.